Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grandiose day. Feathers up. I'm not just talking, we actually living it. It's a great grandiose day. Got some laundry running. It's in a just drying right now. It's trying to film some videos, but it's like this memory, and I'm at this hotel, and it's like freaking the Wi-Fi has been gone for like 2 days, over 2 days, and we conduct our business a lot online, so it's like shoot, I used up all my data, so now if I want to go buy more data, I can't even do that because I can't connect nothing. So it's just like electronic brick, but I have been patient with it, even though I have been messing with it. Apparently, it's supposed to have like some video that's supposed to be scheduled for today, and then it wasn't dropped, and I happened to check in the same day, so I had to release it manually. I don't know what the heck that was all about. It was like it wasn't even like scheduled like list. I don't like what the frick. Hold on 1 second. I had to pull this from my beard. See, can y'all see that? I don't know. But it was just like, the things like this memory too, and I'm like, I don't know what the frick this memory problem is, but it's kind of like we kind of accepted it as like a gift. This is really gonna give us the opportunity to read our book that we need to read, and that's what we're gonna take this opportunity. We've been taking it as. Let me see. Trying to hold this up, prop this up, I should say. How to Be a 3% Man by Corey Wayne. Great book. This is on our ninth read. For sure. Going for 15. And then that's when we'll jump on to something new. But thing is that like I just finished, I guess, a juice fast, really. Finished a juice fast. I had, I was trying to get it on camera, but that's why I said I had some memory problems. So if this video cuts on shortly, y'all know the reason why. I had some, like I was making the juices and whatnot. I had a bunch of apples. I had freaking, what do they call it? Honeycrisp, Fuji, Gala, sour apple. Then I had some very, very ripe banana. And it had some lime. It was all alkaline, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was a great mix. And then we had some agave if we needed to be sweeter. And some water. It was awesome. Like, put it into the smoothie. Sometimes we juice things. It was great. And I had that. I just woke up. I was just drinking that. Like, drank like 5 of them. It was great. Like 5 bottles, I should say. Like the same size water bottles. So it was like 16.9 fluid ounces each. It was great. And it was just like, I guess I went on the juice fast for like whatever, but I was asleep because I had to get my rest. Like my rest was like, it was like a little bit off to like other schedules, you know what I'm saying? But I don't really like focus on too much on their time per se, so whatever. But that juice fast is right. And that I noticed, I freaking step out my door because I'm going to do laundry. And then I get freaking 2 white flashes, 2 or 3 white flashes. But it was like, this is like the first time it's ever been, it was like right after each other. I've never got it before like that. It's usually just like one flash, but it's like, I said, dang, it's freaking nighttime. It was freaking nighttime, you hear me? So I was like, shoot. And this Wi-Fi network, and it's just like, and I don't really feel, I don't know, I don't feel the best like around here. I feel best even though like I'm away from the narcissist. I'm able to get some thoughts, get some clear thinking and whatnot. Just being away from that. But just being here, it's like, just with all his here, it's like, it's just time to go. It's time to go. I've been trying to, you guys do know I've been getting things aligned. Like I've told you, there has been progress, but it's like, when you want to get it as fast as you can get it, but it's like, hey, pardon me. You know, just trying to think. But I think we're gonna have to leave this thing. I think we are, because we already did start packing up and had stuff in there. But I think we had stopped because I just didn't want it to be like. I think we had wanted to be rushed, too rushed, and had to get some things situated. So I'm still trying to get situated now. I don't want to spend here any more longer than I have to. You know what I'm saying? You know, the friend that was a narcissist, you know, the previous friend that was a narcissist tried to reach out to us, you know, as we were walking our dog, trying to say, real spit, swear to God. Real spit, and then calling our name, you know, we ignored him as we were walking. We were at a distance though. I was glad. I'm just trying to stay away. Yeah, you got to stay away from these narcs, you know. I was just like, kind of like, how dare somebody think they can interact with you like that and then still think that you can have the ability to interact with me? Like, things are going to be okay. That's not all right. Um, but since the separation from the narcissist, you know,